Dinark, the Tansis Galoan, Cunogorth Resruth. Welcome to Redruth O'Cornwall Society's Midsummer Bonfire.
Pisado rag beniga Tansis Galoan. A Arluth Jesu Christ and Golo Gwir. Nepisio Coloi pub dain a ddeffo a berth in bys ma. Gra beniga and Tansis ma, my chreni igan lowenda goratan ino rag enora genesigaeth sen Iowan and Besitha. Ha gront thin, ha ni dre tha ras golois ha the worth tha garenza gans tan my hillen doors thiso. Nepa for the revis kins gans and ragreso sans na aval selrius and bees. Hag you trigis in kesrenies gans and tars and nef. In unsis and spirit sans prest undu trank het warfen. Amen. Herith usado ag an tendazo in termino kins, gra ag an gwelis o cool ag an tansis goloan, haneth in craze and half. Tan in cunsis, lemon goriscis, my teo and tansis in hano du.
Otter calmis in comiscus, flugio me fons e colescus, handa handrog, redartho and damil egin, glan rabo disris pub dragon in tan and mog.
They're the only thing.
I set this pyre once on fire, let flame aspire on many parishes.
As you can dress.
Tansis Galawan. Well, Tansis Galawan, hem you agan urtach, agan gonisogeth, agan bunans, hem you marthis.
Oh, me a gar and Tansis Galawan. Me are orthena and you Tansis bras.
Matty, as of Lowen, Fest Lowen in Gwir, the Vozoma or the Tansis Galowen, Gwir in Carno or Kiwed, Main Status Unis in Massachusetts, Hag War Zoom, Asu Marthis, Gans Linda, Iwul, Ragani, Hag and Best Brazu and Tansis Nagans, Mera Bog, Hag, Martezin Delvik, Trusis Punapis here, Hag Mera Duz, Hag and Solempia, Hag and Blujo, well, Nala, Carlson, and Gario, Rag, and Loender, them, Haga, Henu, Hunros.